Good morning students, welcome to class 6. Today we are going to study Chitrapadani 4 in lesson number 1. Chitrapadani 1, 2 and 3 that we have studied in the previous sessions, right? Okay, now in Chitrapadani 4 there are some words with masculine, feminine and neuter gender. Let's study the words with pictures. Okay, let's study the words, Sanskrit words with pictures in Chitrapadani 4. Okay, in Chitrapadani 1, there are masculine words. In Chitrapadani 2, there are feminine words. And in Chitrapadani 3, there are neuter words. Now, which words are there in Chitrapadani 4? Let's see. First is Ankani. Ankani. Listen properly the pronunciation of the word Ankani. Here you can see the is written for the अनुस्वार. जो बिंदी होती है, जो हम वर्ड के ऊपर जो बिंदी करते हैं, इसके लिए ये ड जो है लिखा जाता है और उसका जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन है न जैसे होता है. अंकनी. अंकनी. तो अंकनी मीन्स पेन और पेंसिल. जैसे दूसरा शब्द है ग्रंथः. ग्रंथः मीन्स बुक. यू कैन सी हियर ग्रंथः मीन्स बुक और होली बुक. आभूषणम. आभूषणम मीन्स ज्वेलरी. नेक्स्ट करदीपः. करदीपः मीन्स टॉर्च. चमसः. चमसः मीन्स spoon. Here 2 dots is called visarg and it pronounced as h. Chamasah means spoon. Lavitram. Lavitram. This last ma is called halantma. You can see here the slanting line below ma is called halantma. Lavitram. Lavitram means sickle. अवकरिका. अवकरिका means dustbin. सज्जिका. सज्जिका means file. Again सज्जिका means file. पिपीलिका means ant. पिपीलिका means ant. गणनयंत्रम. गणनयंत्रम means calculator. गणनयंत्रम means calculator. Okay. द्रोणी. द्रोणी means bucket. द्रोणी means bucket. Now पिज्जः. पिज्जः. पिज्जः means switch. पिज्जः means switch. Okay. Now you can see all the words with their Sanskrit words and all the words are in different gender, right? In Chitrapadani 4 there are words with masculine, feminine and neuter gender. Let's classify all the words in the 3 genders. Okay, all these words are there in Chitrapadani 4 and let's classify all these words in the gender. Okay. The first word Ankani. Ankani. It's ending with the vowel E. Ankani. So it is which gender? Feminine gender. Feminine gender. Okay. Granthaha. Grantha ending with a and also visarg at the end. So it is masculine gender. Okay. Abhushanam. Abhushanam. It ends with Last is halan ma. It is neuter gender. Kardipaha ending with visarg and a vowel. It is masculine gender. Chamasaha. Chamasah, ending with a and visarga at the end, so it is again masculine gender. Lavitram, ending with so it is neuter gender. Avkarika, ending with the vowel a. As I told you that the words ending in a or e vowel, it is called feminine gender. So it is feminine gender. Sajjika, again ending in a. So it is also feminine gender. Pipilika, ending in a. So it is again feminine gender. Gananayantram, Gananayantram, ending in so it is neuter gender. Droni, ending in e, so it is feminine gender. Pijjah, ending in a and visarga at the end, it is masculine gender. Okay. Now you have to write all the words from Chitrapadani 4 2 times in your notebook. You have to read and write with neat and clean handwriting in your notebook. Now let's see exercise 1. Find out the true English meaning from these two words. First word is Vrushabah. There are two words given here, sheep and bull. We have to find out the true meaning, true English meaning of this word. Vrushabah means sheep or bull. Vrushabah means bull. So we underline the true meaning and you have to write in the blank here bull. Okay. Now second is Makaraha. Makaraha means crocodile. You have to write here crocodile in the blank. Okay. Now third, Shatika. Shatika means trunk or sari. Shatika means sari. Okay. Now you have to write here sari. Utpithika. Utpithika means table. Okay. You have to write in the blank the right answer. Urukam. Urukam means trousers. Urukam means trousers. Shakatam. Shakatam means bullock cart. Okay, you have to write in the blank answer. Okay. Kardipaha. Kardipaha means torch. T-O-R-C-H, torch. Pipilika means ant or bucket. Pipilika means ant. So here we write ant. Okay. Now exercise 2. Write the Sanskrit meanings of the given pictures. Here are some pictures given and you have to write the Sanskrit word for each picture. Okay, first picture is, this picture is this pen, pencil. Okay, which is the Sanskrit word for pencil? Ankani. Ankani. The is pronounced as na, or here anka. So here we have written here ka, anka, anka. It pronounced as anka, ankani. Okay, second is switch, which is the Sanskrit word for switch? Pijjaha, pijjaha. Okay, now this is a blackboard. So, which is the Sanskrit word for blackboard? Krishna Falakam. Krishna Falakam. Okay. Next is flower vase. Pushpadhani. Sanskrit word for flower vase is Pushpadani. And aeroplane. What is the Sanskrit word for aeroplane? Vimanam. Vimanam. Okay. Now, today we have done Chitrapadani 4. All the words with masculine, feminine and neuter gender. Exercise 1 and 2. Now you have to write all this work, today's work, in your notebook with neat and clean handwriting. Okay. Now we are continue with this chapter in the next session. Thank you.